Next up is our hat transfer, or headwear as we call it. And I'm going to be pressing this one right here, so our hat transfer, onto this hat here. It is going to feel and look a little bit different when you really get up close and look at the texture of it. So the reason our headwear hat transfer is so special is because it's going to bridge this gap on this seam here on this hat. If anyone has pressed hats, you know what I'm talking about. You're not going to be able to see that going through there. Hats can be such a pain, and this is going to help alleviate that. We got our hat press over here. I'm going to get this fitted on here. So when you're pressing a hat, you might have to get creative, is what I kind of call it. Because if you'll notice, this bottom platen here, I'll take this off actually, is a curve. Not all hats curve the same way. So what you might have to do, and I might need to have some assistance here, is put something in here to fill that space. We'll try this is a 5x5, I believe. Okay, so I think that should help. Like all of our transfers, the headwear one is no exception. It's going to be a static liner. So I'm going to use our thermal tape to keep it in place. One should be fine, but if not, I can always grab another one. Okay. Do my best to center it. All right, we'll give it a go. All right. Perfect. All right, and your finished hat. On to the next one.